To set up direct deposit for your Cash App account, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and tapping the profile icon in the top left corner. This will take you to the Cash App settings menu where you can access various features, including direct deposit. Next, select the cash option from the menu and then tap on direct deposit. You will be prompted to enter your employer information, including the company name and address, as well as your job title and the frequency of your paychecks. After entering your employer information, you will need to provide your routing and account numbers. The routing number is a 9-digit code that identifies the bank or financial institution that holds your account, and the account number is the unique identifier for your specific account. To find your routing and account numbers in the Cash App, go to the Cash tab and tap on the $sign icon. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Direct Deposit. Your routing and account numbers will be displayed on the screen, and you can copy and paste them into the required fields. Once you have entered all the necessary information, review it carefully to ensure everything is accurate. Then, submit your direct deposit information to Cash App. It may take a few days to verify your account and set up direct deposit. But once it is established, your paychecks will be deposited directly into your Cash App account. To confirm that direct deposit has been set up successfully, you can check your account activity in the Cash App or contact Cash App support if you have any questions or concerns. Additionally, it is a good idea to inform your employer that you have set up direct deposit with Cash App, so they can update their records accordingly. By following these steps, you can easily set up direct deposit for your Cash App account and enjoy the convenience of having your paychecks deposited directly into your account. Remember to always review your account activity regularly to ensure that your direct deposits are being made correctly and to report any issues to Cash App support promptly.